Hello, my name is Patrick Jamison, and in this video, we're going to add all of our covers, the keepers, and make all necessary adjustments. Now it's time to install our jamb adapters. One of the sides will be cut at an angle, as seen here, which will be at the bottom against the sill. You'll have one left and one right. From outside looking in, I'm going to start with the left jamb adapter. This is the top of the jamb adapter because it's cut straight across. We'll set it on the channel of the jamb and we'll tap it on. I'm going to follow the same process snapping on the other jamb adapter. Here's one of our faster covers for the header. It's notched out to go around the jamb adapter. This is notched out to go around the pivot. Now it's time to snap in our header cover. Keep in mind, never apply covers until after inspection. Now follow the same process when snapping in the other header cover. Now it's time to install the sill covers. Before installing the sill covers, ensure you have sealant on every fastener head of the sill. And now you can snap on your sill covers. We're going to follow the same process on the other side when snapping in the sill cover. Next, I'm going to snap on the jamb cover for the non-locking side. This piece has no notches. Now it's time to snap in the jamb anchor cover. Use a 1x to help you snap it in. Now it's time to install our keepers. First, engage all of your latches and make a mark just above and below each latch. This will give you an idea of where each keeper must go. Upon receiving your jamb covers for the locking side, they will be cut to size and there'll be 4 different lengths. You'll be able to snap these all the way in and slide them up and down as needed. Because you've marked the frame, you can determine which piece goes in between your marks. Here's our 3 keepers. We have our top and bottom keeper and our center keep. Working my way from top to bottom, I found the first piece I need. I'm going to snap it in using my 1x piece of wood and a mallet. Now I'm going to set the keeper inside the channel, ensure my slot lines up with my markings, and put a piece of tape to hold it on. Now I'll be able to close the door and ensure the first latch locks into the keeper. I'm going to follow the same process, finding the next jamb cover and then the keeper. Once all covers and keepers have been applied, ensure the door fully locks and unlocks. Inside the box of hardware, you'll find the keeper screws. You can now screw the keepers into your fastener covers. To adjust the speed control, you'll need to locate the black box that has the instructions as well as this black bag with your speed control wrench. The speed control wrench will indicate positive, negative, or to slow the closure down or to speed the closure up. The speed control knob will be located on the locking side of the sill. You can find it with your hand and then adjust it with the wrench. After snapping on your jamb adapters, adjust the top of the panel if needed. The one adjustment screw will allow you to shift the panel side to side if needed. To recap, I've now made all necessary adjustments, added the keepers and all the covers. I'm Patrick Jamison and thanks for watching.